Bigger Than a Monster Truck, written by Sarah and Keith Courtemartin. Big movers. Have you ever seen a monster truck? Monster trucks have big wheels and can drive over almost anything. As big as monster trucks are, some vehicles are even bigger. Vehicles that move things and people. The duck. The duck is a truck that can travel on both land and water. On land, the duck travels on 6 wheels. In water, the duck uses a propeller. The duck can carry people and supplies to places that are hard to reach. Rescue workers sometimes use this truck to pick up people caught in storms. You can even ride a duck for fun in some places. Vehicle bridge. This amazing machine is both a vehicle and a bridge. The vehicle bridge is used in places where there are no roads or bridges. The vehicle moves the bridge into place. Then the bridge moves up and over the gap. Other vehicles can then drive across. When the bridge is no longer needed, it folds up onto the vehicle. Cranes. Cranes lift and move heavy objects from one place to another. These machines help workers build buildings and load and unload cargo. Some of the world's largest cranes move containers from ships to land. Others are used to lift supplies to the tops of buildings. Dump trucks. The world's biggest dump trucks are found at mines. Miners use these trucks to haul loads of rocks and dirt. Some trucks can move up to 400 tons of soil. Because they carry such heavy loads, they use some of the biggest tires in the world. Their tires are over 13 feet, 4 meters tall, twice as tall as a person. Overland trains. These giant trains were built to haul loads to remote places without roads. The trains travel on huge wheels instead of on train tracks. Each wheel is about 10 feet, 3 meters high, and has its own motor. The longest overland train was almost 600 feet, 183 meters long, and pulled 12 cars. The lead car held 6 people, beds, and a kitchen. Moving space vehicles. Some of the world's biggest vehicles were made to move spacecraft. They carry rockets, space shuttles, and other vehicles on a platform 2 stories high. These vehicles are so wide that they need their own road. Computers and a team of 30 people help these huge machines move. Vehicles that dig. Giant power shovels. Miners use giant power shovels to dig loads of rocks and dirt out of a mine. These shovels have a big bucket that can break into the earth and scoop it up. Power shovels can be as tall as a 16-story building. Tunnel diggers. These machines dig tunnels under the earth. Tunneling machines can even move through solid rock. They use a drill to dig through the ground. These machines dug 3 tunnels under the ocean between England and France. The tunnels are big enough for large trains to pass through. Bagger 288. The largest vehicle in the world is the Bagger 288. This enormous machine is used for digging in mines. The bagger is 705 feet, 215 meters long, almost as long as 2 football fields. Do you know? People have built enormous vehicles since ancient times. The Helepolis was a huge tower built on wheels. It was used in battles in ancient Greece. The Helepolis was so heavy that more than 3,000 men were needed to move it. The bagger digs using a gigantic wheel. The wheel has buckets along its edge that scoop up dirt as the wheel turns. The Bagger 288 is big enough to move mountains. Big vehicles. Huge vehicles are used in many ways. These amazing vehicles move heavy loads and travel both above and below the ground. Gigantic vehicles have gotten much bigger over the years. It looks as though they will keep getting bigger and bigger. How big are they going to get?